What's up guys, iAppleTuber here, and in today's video I'm going to go ahead and show you all how to get custom ringtones for free on your iOS or your iPad for free. No jailbreak, no computer needed, very simple to do, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the methods. So before we start, you need to make sure that you have GarageBand on your devices. So GarageBand is no longer paid, which is amazing. So please go to your App Store first of all and search for GarageBand. Let me search that up. So it's GarageBand. Once you search it up, as you can see, the app is free. And I'm 100% sure that the app is free. So make sure that you have that. Once you have that, now go ahead and download Ringtones for iPhone. I will leave both links in description to make it easier for you. So there's links for iPhone, Ringtones for iPhone, my bad. So here's the app, Ringtones for iPhone. Make sure to download it. Once you click on download, the app is as well free. So up to now, everything is free and very simple. As you can see, I already have downloaded GarageBand prior to this video, and then we can proceed with the video. So give it a few seconds, it will download very quickly. So let's just wait for it to finish downloading. Alright, as you can see, the app has finished downloading. Let's go ahead and open it. So here's the tricky part. It will ask you for your consent, click on accept and continue, click on continue, click on continue, and then it says a trial. You do not have to click on this. Please notice, do not click on start free trial, click on continue with limits. Once there, click on ringtones with catalog, click do not allow, and then here is all the ringtones. So you can click on all, check each and everything that you want to download, or just for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go and find one. Let's go to remix and let's just say, let me just click on Cool Remix by Dubstep. So here's the one. Pause it, and then let's see if that's the one you want to download. Click on the download button right there. Here's the download. It will download very quickly. Now click on it. Click on share. Once you click on share, the best thing to do is to actually save it to files. Save it to files. Click on it. Click on your iPhone or your iCloud drive, doesn't matter. Let's click on iPhone and click on add. So now that is done. Let's go ahead and open GarageBand. Alright, so as you can see, here is GarageBand. Just scroll right until you see the microphone, so the audio recorder. So click on the audio recorder. Once you click on it, wait for it to load. Click on OK. Don't worry about this. Now all I want you to do is click on this brick. It's like a brick right here. I will zoom it in the video for you to see clear, but click on it. Once you click on it, it will change into the microphone. Then you want to click on this triangle and unclick it. Once that is done, you want to click on this loop. Click on it and then click on cancel. Click on browse items from files app. That's the place where we did it. Browse items from the files app. Click on it. Once that is done, you want to click on the dubstep. That's the one we just downloaded. So click on it. Click on cancel. Once again, wait for it to just load there. There you go. As you can see, it's done. Now here's the tricky part. You want to hold it like this, drag the file and drop it right here. So here's the dubstep cool remix that we just downloaded. Once that is done, you want to click on the small plus button and make sure that this goes up to 30 bars. So click on it and make sure that you make this as to 30 bars. And the reason for that is because that's the custom length for the ringtone. So that's done. Click back, click on add, and that's it. Now this is set on 30 seconds. So now that is done, you can actually go ahead and save it and make this your custom ringtone. So click on this down arrow button right here. Once you click on my songs. Once that is done, as you can see, it's going to be able to change the name into my songs. If you want to change this to your custom ringtone name, you just want to hold it for a few seconds and then click on rename. Once you click on rename, change it to whatever you want. Let me just click on remix. Save it, click on done. Once that is done, now here's a process where you want to transfer it. So you want to click on it, hold it a bit, and then click on share. Once you click on share, it will give you the option of song, ringtone, or project. Click on ringtone. Once that is done, click on continue and click on export. Just give it a few seconds. This will export very quickly as it's only 30 seconds. Click on OK. Now we're done with GarageBand. We can get out of GarageBand. Now that is done. Basically, that's all you have done. So now you might be asking, where is my ringtone? So that's very simple. Go to your settings. Once you're in settings, search for ringtones. Or just go and find it yourself. But if you search for ringtones, it's faster and easier. Here's the ringtones. As you can see, remix is the ringtone what we just downloaded. Here, let me just increase the volume for you. There you go. And if you want to set this as your ringtone, There you go. We have set it as a ringtone. Once you have the blue check mark, that means it is set as a ringtone. And I hope that you guys did enjoy it. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel and as well. And watch out for more videos dropping very soon. iAppleTuber here, signing off.